Hello traders. Today is the 15th of March 2023. Blessing day, guys. We had amazing trade. Pound dollar. Beautiful short trade here. Let me explain to you how I analyze the market and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. If you look at the 4-hour chart, guys, that's a pretty straightforward. We were looking this breakout. And if you look at here, the previously broken. So we're looking this breakout this morning. And just before the news, we were expecting this breakout, price nicely broken and hit to the first target, which is the previous high. You can see here, broken at the support level, bank amazing profit. Let me explain to you how I analyze the entry. That was a pretty straightforward. You can see here, price developed the structure. So we explain to my trader if the price can break long, otherwise break short trade here. So we can see here, price was below the 200 EMA in our intraday system. And as you can see here, based on this analysis, once the price was about to break, that's why we broadcast that information through live audio commentary. As you can see here, beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price developing its sideways market, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, or at least move your stop loss at the break even, as you can see here. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but if you can enjoy more, if you watch those analyses in real time instead of review, and bank profit in real time. So most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.